Hi everyone. Wanted to share my layouts from the February Secret Not Secret Kit Club scrap party. Most of my layouts were, I used my old stash, but I used the Kit Club's challenges to kind of de-stash some of my paper. So this first one is the Grab 5 challenge, which was a label, Nouveau dots, black and white stickers, and a tag. So the Nouveau drops are here and here. I have labels here, sticker, tag, black, and I have some white there. So I watercolored the top of that, which I was really happy the way that came out. I had this page sitting to put together, but I was nervous about watercoloring, so finally I just sat down and I did it. And this sketch I based off of that, or I'm sorry, this page I based off of this sketch. So I'm really happy the way that came out. Then the next one, we were supposed to scrap our favorite color combination. Mine is brown and green, which I know some of you guys don't like green, but I do like to scrap in green. So this came together pretty quick. I have a little tag here for my journaling, and the great doilies that Christina sends us. And I think this came from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Then the next one was a watercolor challenge, which I'm really happy how this turned out. I had the butterfly stencil from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. The watercolor, obviously I did that with watercolor, and then I put some streaks of pencil through it. It was pretty simple, came together pretty quick. I love this picture. It's the sun setting between one of the trees in our yards after one of walk that we had in the woods. So there's that one. And then the next one was the Hearts Challenge, which was supposed to be done in 30 minutes. I never do a challenge in 30 minutes. I try, I really do, but I never accomplish it. But I have hearts here. I have the glitter hearts, some puffy hearts. I did, this is like a Heidi Swap stencil. I don't know if you can see it. It didn't come out very well, but I inked through the stencil. Here's some tissue paper from the Kit Club. Just picture of me, my husband, and my daughter. So then the next one was the sketch of the month, which I don't have, but so these were my daughter's favorite movies when she was little, and we were spring cleaning, and I'm like, let's just take a picture of them, and then we can give them to Goodwill. So that's what we did. We took a picture of them, so she could remember what her favorite movies were. And this was a sticker that was put together, and I've had it in my stash forever, so I just cut it in half and put the screen up here and then the seats down here. So that worked out really well. I may go back and put something here. It's kind of flat for me, but we'll see. Then the next one was Hannah's challenge to do a stencil. And I outlined it in pencil, which I should have done a little lighter. I might go back and try to erase that now that it's dried. And then I took, this is Inklings, and I think this is Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. So that's the pink, and I have it in blue and the green. And then the yellow, I used a Tim Holtz Distress Crayon. And then these were the Nouveau dots, but I just made them out as a ray. So I like how that came out. Then the next challenge was the grab bag, which I had fun with this one. This one was a lot of fun. And I think the 10 items, let's see, so we had the straw, we had the heart outline, string, cupcake, the doily, crepe paper. I made it in the back of my flower. The tags. Where's the tag? I know it's somewhere on here. There's the tag. I'm sorry, the tab and the tags. and I think that was all 10. But I took these and I took my inklings and I painted over those white fabric letters. I really like those a lot. Oh, and this green piece of paper, that was the other thing. That was the 10th thing. Cut the doily in half, and I kind of put brown ink on it just to make it old, because this is Juliette Lowe's house in Georgia, and it just seemed like the right thing to do. I also, it looks like I put some inklings on here too. It's very hard to see, but I like how this one came out. And then the doodling, I made 3 tags. I used one on a layout in March. I have this one, and I can't find my other one, but I enjoyed doing that. That was really relaxing. I sat down, and we were watching the Olympics, and I was just doodling while we were watching the Olympics, so it was a nice little break. The next one, Scrap Lift. I think her name's Sandy Revesky. And the funny thing is I didn't have a big photo, and this is actually copy paper. It was very thin copy paper. My mother-in-law printed this when these 2 were pups, and I've had it for, I don't know, 20 years now, but we've just kind of moved it and saved it throughout the years, and I was able to scrapbook it. But this is our first dog that me and my husband ever had, and then my mother-in-law got a pup too, so they were friends, walked together, they hung out together. It was funny. It was they were good pups. So and then this one was, I believe, from Beth's challenge, and it's just mixed media. So when I have mixed media, I just kind of I put it down on paper, and it's mostly modeling paste. There's some green Nouveau Dots embellishment mousse that I put on it, but most of it is like the pink. I use that from the Watercolor Challenge, and then I'll probably just use it on a page for some texture. But I just like doing that. I might just put it in a folder and just keep them in a folder. Who knows? Then share a sketch. So this is my sketch that I shared. And then this is my layout. And this was my Secret Not Secret Kit Club paper. I love this paper. I got it for December Daily. I got a few pages in my December Daily, and I just couldn't cut them because I just liked them so much. I used the other one in March, I believe. But in here, this was from it. The Secret, all of this pretty much is from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. But, so that is pretty much all of my layouts for February. Working through Marches right now, and I do have my kit that I need to do the unboxing video, so that will be coming up next. Thanks everybody, have a good night. Bye bye.